From a young age, when I was in elementary school, I ended up and had an IEP for learning disabilities. So I was in the whole process from elementary school all the way up to high school, and just some of the things my family and I went through of having some teachers that weren't always supportive just kind of drew me to it. And when I got into high school, one of my classes was a study hall, and I chose to, versus having a true study hall, I went into one of our life skills classroom in our school district, in our elementary school, and started working with them. And I just found the love and joy of working with students and just really being there to be the advocate for them. And I also was in 4-H, and there was a family that had a few kids with Down syndrome, and I got to work with them with the animals, and it was a lot of fun, getting to see them show their animals and be super proud. So a resource room teacher is someone that has students that could have a learning disability, other health impairments, emotional impairments. We kind of can have it all, but we're really focusing on reading, math, and then I know I have a lot of students that I help with emotional regulation and all that. So I don't have a set, say 5 kids in my room all day. I pull different groups for about 30 minutes at a time, and then I go and grab next group. So sometimes I'm working with a group for math, and then the next group I could be doing reading, and then the next group could be behavioral. A lot of other special ed teachers have self-contained classrooms. They have a set number of kids that they have all day that they're helping, and they might possibly just get to go out for specials or recess or lunch. I normally have groups, I have little breaks, I have my lunch and planning time, but sometimes I have some students that have behavioral needs and I help support them. And then they also come into my classroom for breaks. So I have some break spaces in my classroom that they know they could independently come in here if they need a break from class. After I give them the few minutes, I will check in with them. I also am doing IEPs, also in a lot of meetings to figure out how to best support all my students. So every day typically should look the same, but it also looks different a lot of times too. If you're looking into special education, to get out into the field, see if you could go just observe someone and just kind of see what day-to-day life looks like, see if it's what you like. Because it's not like just a normal classroom teacher. I think the most rewarding aspect is when I finally see a kid, we've been working super hard on one skill, say it's addition, and it finally clicks with them after maybe say a month or so, and it just clicks and they're like, I can do this now, or I can read now. It's really cool because all of a sudden we just see all this growth and them just kind of become their own in reading or math or kind of whatever skill they're working on.